I think that's a big attraction to these games as well, is the fact that there's a social component to it. It's interesting if you get into the history of it, how people used to do play by post, and they would actually play war games with people in other cities using stock market tables and then mailing in their move. And then you'd mail your move to the guy that you're playing against, and he would move the pieces accordingly, and then he would make a counter move and he'd mail back what he was going to do to you, so that you might even have two people with the same game set up in two different cities or two different states playing a game. And that still goes on. There are a couple companies that still will set you up with people that want to do play by post kind of games. You take really good notes, and then since you can't like be there to watch the guy roll dice, you're using the stock market tables, and it's like whether it's like the last number on a specific stock becomes what your dice roll would have been. So
How far back did that start?
that goes back into the 40s and 50s when recreational miniature wargaming really started to take off.